Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to migrate Windows to another drive for free. So firstly, you have to go to the Chrome browser and right here, mini tool, sorry, partition wizard, this one. Click on the first link. Now you'll find here this download option. Click on this. Let it download it in your device. After completing the download, click on file location and double click on this thing. Click on this install anyway. Yes, this one English. Click the second one, continue installing free edition. Next, you can just do this. It will take 1 to 90 seconds. Hold on. I'm just pausing the video here. I'll be right back when it's complete. Now click on finish. Go to your computer. You can see here your mini tool is installed. Just double click on this to open. Click on yes. Then you will find here two things, disk 1 and disk 2. Make sure all of these two disk, sorry, hold on. You have to make sure you can see the disk 1 and this here GPT and disk 2 also GPT. Make sure it's 2 GPT or MGR format. These are two format. uh, if anything here GPT, you have to must sure that also GPT here. If you find here MGR, you can find here, you have to uh, also confirm the MGR should be here. Okay, if you find, what if you find here GPT and if you find here MGR, you have to right click on this and you'll find convert GPT to MBR. Okay, so if it's like MBR, you can convert it to MBR to GPT anytime. After that, by using this application or tool, you can do, now choose any disk 1 or disk 2, and you'll find here this copy disk. Click on this copy disk, then click on next. Now click on, you can see here that your disk all data will be destroyed. If you click on yes, then your data will be destroyed. Okay, so make sure you are keeping the data anywhere, or you can back up the data anywhere. I'm not going to do here, I'm just showing you the tutorial. So if you click on yes, then you have to do the procedure to till it's done. You can do this by yourself, that's so simple. Just click on next, yes, or whatever these options. So yeah, this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.